On a winter day in 1886, a group of Illinois engineers gathered in Champaign, Illinois. It was an organizational meeting from February 10th through the 13th, with the purpose of bonding together to form an organization. They named it the Illinois Society of Engineers and Surveyors. Together, theirs was a strong voice for the highest integrity and principles of the engineering profession in Illinois. Since 1886, and now 125 years later, those principles remain in the engineers of Illinois and in the members of the Illinois Society of Professional Engineers. At the turn of the 20th century, the engineering world was making tremendous breakthroughs. As the New York subway opened, work began on the Panama Canal, and the flow of the Chicago River was completely reversed using canal locks. Just one of many distinctive engineering feats in Illinois since our organization was established. In 1904, it was officially incorporated, the Illinois Society of Engineers and Surveyors. The 1940s were a turning point for America and our society. As America showed its greatness in World War II, engineers were at the forefront. In July of 1945, military engineering was displayed and thrust into international history as the United States first tested the atomic bomb that was later dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Here in Illinois, on July 20th of 1945, Governor Dwight Green of Chicago signed into law the first Professional Engineer Act for the state of Illinois. This is the actual pen Governor Green used that day, a valuable piece of history preserved by ISPE. The governor also issued to Arthur M. Kendall, a civil engineer and state representative from Chicago, PE License Number 1. It was the first professional engineering license in Illinois history. The next year, in 1946, the organization changed its name to the Illinois Society of Professional Engineers. The 1970s brought more than just disco music and the ever-fashionable leisure suit. It brought Illinois international engineering prestige with the opening of the Sears Tower. It also brought the creation of a new philanthropic arm for our society. The ISPE Foundation was established in 1975 to provide scholarships to engineering students, a mission it continues to this day. In the 1980s, the Math Counts program was established here in Illinois. It was 1983 in Chicago, and since then, Math Counts and ISPE volunteers have continued to inspire and motivate bright young people to consider engineering as a professional career. A new era of ISPE history began in the new millennium. In 2003, ISPE began offering a continuing education program to meet members' needs for a new state requirement. The Society's reputation for integrity and professional excellence was recognized as thousands of Illinois engineers have turned to ISPE's quality programs to fulfill their continuing education requirements. In 2007, a new ISPE initiative honored newly licensed professional engineers with recognition at the State of Illinois' Thompson Center in Chicago. And in 2009 at the state capitol, ISPE safeguarded members' licenses by again holding off attempts from other groups to encroach on the state's PE license. And an updated PE Act was passed and signed into law. An engineer serving in the Illinois General Assembly played a key role as State Senator Dale Reisinger of Peoria was a co-sponsor of the legislation. Today, in 2010, ISPE is strong and the premier voice for professional engineering in Illinois. Our membership is strong and committed to leadership in our society, in their workplace, and in their communities. The fellowship and volunteerism, the networks and relationships, the mentoring and collaboration. ISPE offers opportunities for engineering leaders in Illinois. Today, the premier engineering society in Illinois, the Illinois Society of Professional Engineers, celebrates 125 years of gathering together in the name of engineering excellence. To all of you and your families, thank you and congratulations.